I'm Dr. James B. Collins III. I'm a general surgeon with North Carolina Surgery, and I practice in Smithfield and Clayton, North Carolina. But what I found that I like the most about surgery is that you really get involved with patients on a very physical level. You get to work with your hands, and there's no more intimate way really to interact with a patient than to do surgery for them. And you get to have a real impact on their recovery. They come in with a very specific problem, you operate on that for them, and when you finish, you've addressed that problem and they recover and move on with their lives, and it's very rewarding. My favorite part of the job is working with the patients. You know, it really is a privilege to get to know people, and you see them at all stages of things. Sometimes, unfortunately, you meet people at one of the most difficult times in their lives, and you get to see them at that point and be part of their recovery. What I love to do is when I see someone who's been very sick, and maybe the only time I saw them was when they were very sick and in the hospital, and then they come back to see me in the office, and you almost feel like you're meeting them for the first time because they're the way they are in their normal life and they're healthy, and so I love that. We've always been a patient-first practice. We're in a smaller community, and so I think there's a lot of that type of practice that benefits our patients. But there are always things when you're in a smaller practice that you think, boy, I wish we had access to some of the things, or some of the technology, or maybe some of the people, or some of the procedures, et cetera, that you have in a larger community. And being part of the UNC system gives us access to that, both with people, some of the hospitals, educational opportunities. I have 2 sons, so I like to fish with them. I run, exercise, bike, like to snow ski, and I play golf, not very well, but it gives me an opportunity to do something with my sons if we can get out and do things.